Another 100-point range today in the regular trading hours on the S&P. Stay tuned and I'll show you how it all played out and how you could have anticipated the movement that was coming. Welcome back to Day Trade Like a Pro. It's Wednesday, March 4th. So here's the S&P 500. This is just a 5-minute chart. And I want to show you, here's our, going way back here. There's our key turn. Used it within a tick. Used it to the tick. Came up and broke it. I mean, eventually they're going to do that. They use it here. They sold off 95 down to 76. So they sold off about 20 points. Yeah, about 20 points down there. 19 points. And then they sold off here again down to 82, about 14 points. And then they brought it up higher, broke through here, and then from 95, I mean, look at this thing run, 29.95, and we ended up going all the way today, hard to believe, all the way over to here at 98. That's 3,098. So there you go. There's your break right there. 29.95. And then we ran from 29.95 all the way up here to 98. But we weren't done. So we got 140-ish points. 140-ish points. About like that. 130 something. So that's not bad. Okay, anyway, so that was key turns. So here's what we said coming into the morning. And maybe I'll switch this here. We'll go to a 10-minute. And we'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see what's going on here. I just want to walk you through a couple of things. So originally we said if they couldn't hold, then we would be looking for that 33 area, whatever that was, as a first target. Oh, sorry, 22 as a first target. And when they came down here in the live trade signals, I posted and said, watch out, that 31 area is going to be important. And of course they did hold that, and then they came all the way back up here. Now here's a hint. They used this over here for selling. You wouldn't really want them to use it again over here. So it doesn't mean it can't pull back, but we really don't want to put a double top in right here. I know there's traders who actually trade that and these gurus who teach that, but I teach that that's not what you're looking for. So then what happened? They came up to here, so they rallied from there all the way up to here. And then our answer was really if they could hold this area right here. And they did hold it. So here's 40.75 they held. And then they really held it right here. And then we pushed, we came back and we tested right here. You can see the retest right there. Came up, broke, came back here, came back and tested right there. And it was just kind of off to the races there the rest of the day. So what I said this morning was that if they could get above this 78 and hold, then we'd likely get another about 70 points. We actually were looking for this area, this 47 quarter minimum, 54 area. And we just kind of ran out of time. And you can see what's happened here right now. Came down, tested key turns, came back up, broke key turns, came back, and then we've been sitting on it right here testing it. So I don't want to dive too far into that, but what we're not taking into account right now is that we haven't taken into account here that we kind of ran out of time here in today's session, and we don't know what prediction points look like for tomorrow yet, so we haven't looked at that. And so that's going to depend on that bigger target or not. But what I will tell you is, obviously, if you're in the live trade signals, we'll know what to do with that, and we'll get what's there to get with it. But wouldn't be out of the question that they could come back and test some of these, even back into this area and test some of these. So no problem with that. Maybe they want to do that in the Globex and then make another run higher. But pretty fantastic day overall. Really had an opportunity, great opportunity here to get long at 40. 41, and then that ran all the way up to 30 area. So that's 90 points right there. So just fantastic right there. Another good buy opportunity, here or there, whichever one. And this thing just took off. So also great short opportunity on the open, good buy down here, good short up there. Just lots of good trades here. So some of you might go, well, wait, are you just picking out like the best areas of where you would have traded? Well, no. I mean, I tried it long here. That didn't work. I scratched it. And, you know, we're really actively managing our trades. When it came down here, we tried it long. It didn't work. We scratched it, and we got either you can get short for lower, or you can just wait for it to come down here. It just depends on how advanced you are and how active of a trader you want to be. And then they held this area, so we're long from here. Could try it short here. It didn't work. Then they came back. Okay, they're going to come back and test it. Then we're long from here. And then I wouldn't want to get short again here, but then they break it. And then they come back and test it, and I want to be long over here. And I'm really looking for them. They already used 70, so they got to get up to here. So they break that, come back, test it. I want to get long over there. I'm not selling here again because they already sold it here and here. I don't want them to sell it here again. I want them to push it to here. They break here, which they already used this, so we said they shouldn't be selling this again. And then they came back and tested it, and we said if they could hold 78 quarter, and they held it within a tick. So we said if they could hold 78 quarter, then we're looking for higher. And even this, I mean, this is a 50-point move just from here to here in the last 3 hours of the day. So great opportunity, and you can go watch the pre-market video. I'll put the link up here in the top, and we'll see you in the live trade signals in the morning.